Hi, and welcome back to Simple Treats. We're actually just going to do a Southern classic here. It is a spin-off of maybe a tater tot casserole, except I'm going to be using shredded cauliflower instead of potatoes. I cannot have potatoes, so we're going to make it more a hash brown casserole. Now, in this dish, all we have is some pre-browned 93% lean ground beef. I've already browned it up to save for time. And this is, of course, your cauliflower shreds. I just put it through the food processor with your shredding attachment. It's very easy. Actually, I only use the stalks because I save the florets for all of our other cauliflower things like cauliflower rice and potatoes. We have some onions that have been chopped up fine, mozzarella cheese, fat-free cream of mushroom soup, and then your usual assortment of spices, including salt, pepper, garlic. It's all in there. Now, you have the ground beef. All you have to do is, let's put in the onions first. Just kind of pop them in there. Just mix them in. And I'll just mix it right in there. Not a problem. And you just kind of want to evenly distribute all your ingredients. This is one of those dinners that you can just throw together, put in the oven, and when you're having a busy night, it's satisfying for your family. And it was just the easiest thing to make. Now, I'm going to do some of the seasonings. Not the whole thing. You don't want some for the top. And we're going to do our cauliflower shreds. Now, I have not pre-cooked these down. A lot of times you see that I cook down the cauliflower and prepare it. You don't have to do that with this because it'll just all cook right together. So this is raw cauliflower stalks shredded in my food processor. I just mix it all in. You could do this in a bowl too, but I'm not going to waste the bowl. I just do it right in the casserole dish. Just put that in. Okay. Now, you want your fat-free cream of mushroom soup. If you do not like mushrooms, go ahead and experiment. You can actually put in cream of broccoli, cream of celery. Now, I will say if you do use anything other than a vegetable-based soup, it does add on calories, so you want to be leery of that if you're a calorie counter. But you can use any type of fat-free, creamy-based soup. Just kind of spread that in right on top of those cauliflower shreds. The shredded mozzarella cheese. It's a low moisture skim milk cheese. Actually, mozzarella is one of your lowest calorie cheeses. I just get the free shredded kind and just on top. And then your extra spices. I just kind of like to drizzle them out on top. Just right there. Just going to kind of mix that in. I got a couple globs of spices, but really this is very forgiving. It is not a fancy meal. And that is your entire casserole. All you have to do is pop it in the oven at that point in time, 350 degrees until it's hot and bubbly. It usually takes about a half hour. We'll come back and look at it in a half hour. Okay, now it's been about a half hour and our casserole should be ready. And all you have to do is make sure that's nice and hot and bubbly. That cauliflower does cook up pretty nicely. Cauliflower usually does let out a lot of water, so it might be a tiny bit runny, but it makes its own gravy. And just slip them in there. And sorry, usually I get myself a nice little teaspoon. I'm such a lady about this. But today, yeah. So I'm just gonna. You want to make sure that cauliflower is nice and moist. Not too soggy, not too crunchy. It's not this perfect consistency of a hash brown. So 6 slices, and it's actually very low in calorie. The highest thing in here is actually the ground beef. So it's a great lunch. Microwave well, it freezes well. You can take it for lunch and work and microwave it up. And it is your southern tater tot casserole or hash brown casserole. Nice and cheesy and satisfying. This is Amy for Simple Treats. I would like you to share and subscribe my YouTube page, and that will actually unlock my recipes. And you can contact me at simpletreats@gmail.com, and you can also find me on Facebook. You will see my picture. Have a great day.